hate this groundhog and his predictions. Look at this. Are you serious? Like every video starts off like me just opening my car. Hello, I'm back here with my Pico, you know? So right now, I've been lacking on the caddy. I gotta get an oil change because I just think it's been a while. I'm supposed to do like every 3,000 miles on this, but I don't remember the last time I got it. I think it's been about 3,000 miles. But we're about to go to this place that's a really sick, super awesome oil change place where they have like a camera you can see when they do your oil. It's pretty sick. What's that thing? It has like veggies in it. And
the Southwest veggie wrap?
No, it's not that. But it's like a wrap.
The spinach and feta wrap?
No, it's not that. It has
There
like
are only 2 wraps.
I think it has like eggs or something and veggies.
Oh, you talking about the protein box?
No, it's not that. Oh,
so,
I see it. I see it. It's the Southwest veggie wrap.
Okay.
And then can I just get that with the little clear cubes in it?
Sorry, what was that, sir?
It has like the clear cubes in it. I'll take that.
You mean ice?
Yeah, that. So
you want the iced matcha green tea latte?
Yeah, that, yeah.
What size?
What's the Grandy?
Okay, we have that.
Actually, let me just get the Venti.
Okay, so a venti grande iced green tea latte. Anything else?
Yeah, the Venti, yep. And that's it. It's just disgusting. It's the under my car. What other oil change place does that? I don't know, to be honest. So good. It's just disgusting. All right, y'all, you already know. We just pulled up to my boy's house. You know, you always gotta support your mans, all that stuff, with their dreams and everything. And he's been really trying to get a decent video going for his music for a while. And I guess he got that set up. So we're about to go get a little bit of B-roll, you know what I'm saying, for the vlog. If you guys wanna go see the rest of his stuff, I'm gonna post links in the description, but we're gonna add a little clip of his music, and if you like it, go follow him. I'm gonna put all of his stuff there. But yeah, we're gonna do that real quick, get a little B-roll, and then like I said, if you follow his stuff, you can see it when he posts the video and whatnot.
Open your brain, hit a pussy nigga, I'm a shooter. Nigga in the head if you get close to it. Only makes sense if you get close to it. Mean he tryna go so my shit can blow through him. Any, mini, money, mo, pick your influence. Battle axe, bat, 6-pack, go cool him. That attack match with a bitch smoke through him. Send a nigga back home with nothing to show for. Open your brain, hit a pussy nigga, I'm a shooter.
I'm trying to get my grandma to take a ride for us, but she was like, maybe next time, because you know, she went to the car wash and they were banging on her, whatever, windows, and she's like, I'm not trying to get in your loud car.
Now we're doing a detour to go get Anthony's haircut. Let's see the before. That was perfect! You're disgusting.
Alright, so we gotta get my cut. Walk with me.
I am.
You're so far away.
I don't want to be up in your butt.
So, we gotta get this mop taken care of. See this?
Damn, it showed a bald spot.
Stop it! Bosley sponsor me, Manscaped, all that. So, what do you want here? Put my mask on, get the haircut. Take me home.
Yeah. Back on road with my niggas. 10K a show, yeah. Just to hit it. And she know I got bitches. I got had no misses. You could be my mistress. Back on road with my niggas. 10K a show, yeah. Just to hit it. And she know I got bitches. I got had no misses. You could be my mistress. You could be my mistress. I can shoot like Pippin. One blow like misses. Always keep my rhythm.
Alright, boy got the haircut. I don't look homeless anymore. You know what I'm saying? Got some hair in my mouth. Also, before you guys, like, check this out. Grab yourself some merch. I updated the colors and stuff. I'm about to order me some new colors and a hoodie. So if you guys want to go get some of that stuff, Link's in the description. Alright guys, I need your help. 100 likes and I'll quit puffing the bars. I'm gonna do it anyway, but like, if you guys give me 100 likes, I'm like,
Guys, if you give him 100 likes, we will go to Dave & Buster's and we will, I don't know, just go to Dave & Buster's.
Well, the ghost windshield wipers are back on. They just turn on whenever they want. They're literally off. It's broken. I mean, my windshield broke. We're gonna be doing a giveaway for this car. All you have to do is buy $50 worth of merch. I'm gonna go dumpster diving. You don't want the smoke! He's scared. He's definitely so scared right now.
Hey guys!
I'm gonna give him that Cts-V smoke.
Guys!
You want that smoke, baby? He didn't want the smoke.
I'm a dog! I couldn't breathe. Why do you think you're gonna win? Think you're gonna win? Why do you think you're gonna win? Shit hits my face, I'm gonna be mad.
We only hit dingers out here. Big dingers.
Is she recording?
If I hit you, I'm sorry.
Sorry. I wasn't a pitcher either.
I never played baseball.
Nobody cares.
You recording?
Yep.
Rising up, back on the street.
Everywhere you look.
I'm so scared right now. You don't know how to control where your ball goes.
Yeah, I do. Take one for the team.
Oh my god.
Go, Eddie, go! Go! Go!
A few moments later.
Jesus Christ.
Something totally gonna F up this escape room. We're gonna beat the world record and then we're just gonna have like our name everywhere.
Jesus.
So it was like $140 just to do 4 people. So I said, screw that. We can get more bang for your buck at Dave & Buster's for bowling, which is like, I think on Friday, isn't it cheaper on Fridays, Addie? It's cheaper on Fridays, so we're gonna do that and save like $100. So we have this, oh, I broke it.
Another one.
All right, ready? We'll redo this, ready? Here we go. Oh, this one's nice.
Cause I want a Hellcat with the top back, so these bitches can see what they missing. I ain't been to hell yet, but I pray for forgiveness, cause I know a nigga been sinning. And she got the mad shot, so whenever she walks with a God, I be wishing I'm in it. Shout out to my last bitch, cause I fell out of love, had to realize a nigga was tripping.
I just got, this one broke, so. How much I owe you? Alright guys, we're in the mall. It's supposed to be closed, but we're being savages right now.
Yeah. There's Ulta.
Zoe, run! Zoe's drunk off the gummy worm drink.
Wait, what? It's beer?
Oh, you're...
No. Period.
Is it beer?
Why it looks like it.
They probably have the Charlie more.
You couldn't break it. Oh my god, the bitches are crunching. They were crunching under your feet.
It's because I'm a
You
big boy.
fat cow.
I'm fat as shit, boy.
So guys,
Listen. It was a wet one. It was not a...
guys, we're literally being savages right now.
Go.
Like this video.
Go.
Hold my drink. Hold my drink and my Coke.
You're late. Get it. Here. Zoe, take that chair.
Can I this?
Oh, shit! I dropped my phone, it's not cracked.
Walk of the spot.
30 on me and some chops. All my niggas really rock. Roll, control.
If you want us to do 24 hours in the mall.
It's so weird. It's so
Oh,
weird.
we could do the 24 hours in the mall thing.
We'll sleep in the pizza area. Sleep in the ovens.
We'll nom on some
And then we'll
food.
wake up and we'll be burnt. We're like, oh, it's so hot. I'm burning.
Oh, we could sleep at Popeyes.
Or we could.
Keys before you go.
What the fuck? What the fuck? I swear to God, I'm not. What the fuck? Alright, it's too cold. Now we're gonna go dumpster diving.
Hey guys, I'm gonna go dumpster diving.
Dumpster diving.
Any, mini, money, mo, pick your influence. Battle axe, bat, six pack, go cool 'em. That attack match with a bit smoked on. Send a nigga back home with nothing to show for. Open your brain, hit a pussy nigga, I'm a shooter. Nigga in the head if you get close to it. Only makes sense if you get close to it. Mean he tryna go so.